Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by enabling the Document AI API and assigning a project. This gives you the backend. Create a service account and download its JSON key so tools can authenticate. Install gcloud and run gcloud config set project ID to point local tools to your project. Once done, install the client library for your language. This avoids manual REST calls. Make sure to store credentials safely. You will need them immediately for the first sample request. Next, create a processor in the console and pick the specific processor type: OCR for scan text, specialized parsers for forms or invoices. Configure any processors to use a specific location or model version, then upload sample files to a cloud storage bucket, for example gs//bucket name/sample. PDF. Use the client library to call the process endpoint and parse the JSON response. When you examine results, map extracted entities to your app fields. This clarifies why parsing rules or model choices matter. Finally, integrate results into your workflow. Either stream processed JSON to a database or batch via pub/sub for high volume. Deploy with least privilege IAM roles and set budget alerts to avoid surprise costs. Monitor performance and tweak processor settings or model selection as you scale. If things go wrong, turn on debug logs and inspect API responses. Permission errors usually mean the service account lacks roles, while parsing issues often need better sample training or preprocessing, like desqueuing images. Make incremental changes and retest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.